I often close my eyes and I can see you smile. You reach out for my hand and I walk in from my dream. Although your heart is mine, it's so low inside. I never had your love and I never will. And every night I lie awake, thinking maybe you love me like I'll always love you. But how can you love me like I love you when you can't even love me straight? In my eyes, I've never felt this way. To be so in love, to have someone there, yet feel so alone. And you're supposed to be the one to wipe my tears, the one to say that you would never leave the waters calm and still. My reflection is there. I see you holding me, then you disappear. All that is left of you is a memory of that only exists in my dreams. And every night I lie awake, thinking maybe you love me like I'll always love you. But how can you love me like I love you when you can't even love me straight? In my eyes, I don't know what hurts you, but I can feel it too. And it gets on so much to know that I can't do a thing. And deep down in my heart, somehow I just know that no matter what, I'll always love you. I often close my eyes and I can see you smile. You reach out for my hand and I woke up from my dream. Although your heart is mine, it's so low inside. I never had your love and I never will. So why am I still here in the rain?